Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my lovely student. This is our final revision for our exam. Okay, let's start. The first question, use the following paragraph to answer the questions. Our paragraph about favorite subject. Okay, our data on the horizontal axis and the numbers of a student on the vertical one. The first question, which subject is liked the least? When I ask you by using which, I want word, okay? And the word least, like fewest. I want the shortest bar. When I ask you the least or the fewest value, I want the shortest bar, okay? When I want the best or the most, I want the greatest one. But our question, which subject is like the least? So I want the smallest bar, science, okay? The answer will be science. How many students like math and science? I want the two subjects. So how many students like math? 8. And how many students like science? 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. We have some keywords to know what I will do, addition or subtraction. When I get and or in all or all together or total, I want you make addition, okay? When I get how many more, how many less, more than or less than, or difference between or left, I want the difference between two numbers, okay? The second question, choose the correct answer. The first one, 620 and 260. The two numbers, three digits, ones and tens and hundreds. So look at the hundreds place. We have 6 in hundreds place and 2 in hundreds place. 6 more than 2. So 620 more than 260. The second one, 200 plus 60 and 260. 200 plus 60 equal to 160, the expanded form for 260. So the two numbers are equals. The value of 8 in the number 780 is 8 in tens place, 8 in tens place. So the value of 8 equal 80. Sphere has how many faces? Sphere has no faces, so the number of faces equals 0. Half past written as, I know the half of an hour equals 30 minutes, so half past 9 written as 9:30. 9:30. 8 plus what equals 14? 8 plus what equals 14? When I want to get the missing addend or missing subtrahend, close your hands and count after the smallest number to get the greatest one. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have 6 fingers. 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4, after 48, 49, 49, 50, 51, 52. Put true or false. The first one, sphere has no edges. Sphere, no, I know that. Sphere has no edges, no faces, and no vertices. Half past 3 written as 3 o'clock. No, I want to get 3. Half past 3 written as 3 o'clock. No, I know that. Half past means 30 minutes. So half past 3 written as 3:30, not 3 o'clock. Okay? 400 plus 60 plus 2 in standard 4. 463 Yes, it's right. Triangle has 4 sides. No, triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3 sides. Complete. Complete. 102 in standard form. 102 in standard form. Okay. When I get the word 100, our number will be 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. I have 1 in 100 place. 100, 100. So I have 1 in 100th place. Then 2. I don't have any 10th place, okay? So our 10th place is 0, and we have 2 in 1st place. 8 plus 8 is double, okay? 8 plus 8 equals what? 8 plus 8 equals 16. 56 minus 6. We will subtract 1s minus 1s and 10s minus 10s. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Then 5 minus 0 equals 5. I can use counting back to get the answer, okay? Before 56, 55, and 54, 53, 52, 51, and 50. Match. The first one, 426 in standard form. Okay, 66 minus 6, the answer will be 60. Its mass is 15 kilogram. We know that the measuring unit for mass, we have kilogram for heavy objects, and we have gram to the light objects, okay? So the answer will be the picture. The fourth one, 3D shape, has only 2 flat faces in shape circle. Cylinder has only 2 flat faces, okay, and 3D shape. The last one, 820. 820 in expanded form equal 800 plus 20. Ahmed reads 67 pages of a book in one day. In the next day, he read 24 pages. How many pages did he read in the 2 days? Okay, I want to add the first day and the second one. 667 plus 24. I will add 1s plus 1s and 10s plus 10s, okay? 7 plus 4 equals 11. I can't put 2 digits in one's place, so I put only one, and carry up 1 of 6, okay? 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. Use the place value strategy to estimate the answers of the problems. The first one, 23 plus 24. By using a place value strategy, we put only the value of the greatest place value. I mean the value of the digits in left, okay? To the value of 23, 20. The value of 23 is 20, and the value of 24, the value of 2 and 24 is 20. So 20 plus 20 equals 40. 52 plus 36, the value of 5 in the left, 50, and the value of 3 in the left, and in the left means 10th place, okay? The value of 3 in the 10th place is 30. So 50 plus 30 equals 80. The value of 7, and 77, 70, because 7 in 10th place, and the value of 2 in 10th place, 20. 70 plus 20 equals 90. Use the following paragraph to answer the questions. Our paragraph about favorite colors. How many people liked yellow and yellow the best, okay? How many people liked yellow the best? I ask you by using how many, so I want the number of students. This is the yellow bars, okay? The number of students will be 50. Which color is liked the best? Which color is liked the best? This is the longest bar. So the yellow is liked the best. Which color is liked the least? Where is the shortest bar? The shortest bar is blue. Choose the correct answer. 512. 512. More than or less than or equal 500 plus 10 plus 2. 500 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 equals 512. 512 and 512, the two numbers are equals. The value of 3 and the number 320. The value of 3 in hundredths place, so its value is 300. The value of 300. Rectangle has how many vertices? This is the rectangle, and vertices means corners or points. We have 4 vertices. We have 4 vertices. The answer will be 4. 5:30 written as half past of an hour. Half of an hour equal 30 minutes. So 5:30 written as 5:30. 67 in standard form. 77. 77, I want 2 digits, only 2 digits. I have ones and tens only. 67. 7 plus what equal 15? 7 plus what equal 15? Close your hands and count after 7 to get 15. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We count 8 fingers. 53 minus 50. 53 minus 50. Count back before 52, 53, sorry, before 53, 52, 51, 50. We count 3 fingers. 58 plus 10. When we add 10, okay, the ones place will be the same number, but we add 1 to the tens place. Then 58 plus 10 equals 68. 64 minus 10. 64 minus 10, when we subtract 10 from any number, the ones place will be the same digit, okay? But the tens place will minus 1 from the tens place, okay? 54. Put true or false. Cylinder has 2 edges. No, cylinder has no edges and no vertices. Cylinder has only 2 flat faces. Circle has 4 vertices. No, the circle has no vertices. Quarter to 2 written as 1:45. This is right, okay? 800 plus 50 plus 1 in standard form, 158. 158, it's wrong. I have 8 in hundredths place and 5 in tens place and 1 in ones place, not in hundredths place. This is false, okay? Complete the place value of 8 and the number 823 is 8 in hundredths place equal 100. But I want the place value, not value. Take care, when I ask you the place value of the digit, I want ones or tens or hundreds, okay? But I want word, okay? Ones or tens or hundreds. But I ask you about the value, not place value. I want the number. Value means number, place value means words, okay? By letters. So the value of the place value of 8, the place value of 8, hundreds. Trapezoid has how many sides? Trapezoid has 4 sides. 900 plus 30 in standard 4. We have 9 and hundredths place and 3 in tenths place. I don't have any number in ones place, so the ones place will be 0. 9 plus 9, it's doubles, okay? So 9 plus 9 equals 18. 56 plus 32. We will add ones plus ones. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So our answer is 88. Match. We have a brush and a chair. Okay, the brush is very light, so measuring unit is gram, okay? But the chair is very heavy. Its measuring unit is kilogram. Ahmed has 21 red apples and 53 green apples. How many apples he has in all? When I get in all, I will add the two numbers, 21 plus 53. We'll add 1 plus 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 2 plus 5 equals 7. The answer will be 74.
Okay, let's complete using the following pictograph to answer the questions. Okay, pictograph talking about favorite music. We have drum, guitar, piano, and flute. Okay, 1 star equal 2 children, half star equal 1 children. Okay, first question, which music is the least favorite? Okay, the least, okay, the same meaning of the fewest. Okay, at the first, drum, how many children? Okay, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Okay, drum, 7 children, guitar, 4 children, piano, 3 children, okay, and the flute, 5 children. Okay, so which least? Piano. Okay, how many children did like drums and flute? Okay, then like more than, so we make subtraction. Okay, so how many we write digit and which we write words. Okay, so how many children did like drum and the flute? Where drum? 7. Okay, 7 minus flute 5. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Okay, put true or false. Sphere has no flat face? Yes, this sentence is right. 7:30 written as 7 o'clock? No. How we can write 7, 7:30, 7 and 30? Okay, so the sentence is false. 500 plus 60 plus 5 in standard form. Okay, we have 3 places in 100. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 5 in 100, start with 100, 5. Okay, and tens will be 6 and ones will be 5, so will be 565. So this sentence will be true. Okay, triangle has 4 sides. Okay, let's see triangle. This triangle, how many sides? 1, 2, and 3. How many sides? 3 sides, not 4 sides. This sentence is false. Okay, the place value of 8 in the number 428. Okay, place value, right was letter, and value, right was digit. Okay, so we have 1, 10, and 100. Where 8 in ones place, so write ones. Rectangle has how many sides in rectangle? Okay, sorry. How many sides in rectangle? This called is rectangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many sides? 4 sides. 500 plus 50 in standard form. Standard form, okay, we have 3 places. Okay, in 100 we write 5, and tens we write 5, and we don't have ones, so we write 0. So will be 550. 6 plus 6 equal 12. Okay, and 17 plus 52. Ones plus ones, 7 plus 2 equal 9, and tens with tens, 1 plus 5 equal 6, so will be 69. Okay, Ahmed has 23 red apples and 15 green apples. How many apples he has in all? In all we make addition, so we have two numbers, 23 and 15, so make 23 plus 15 equal 38. Ones plus ones, tens plus tens. Okay. Circle the base unit of measurement for weight. Okay, so unit of measurement, we took gram and kilogram. Okay, gram was lighter object and kilogram was heavier object. So start one. Caesar will be gram. Motorcycle will be kilogram. Got will be kilogram. Choose will be gram. Feather will be gram. Animal will be kilogram. Balloon will be gram. Chair will be kilogram. Okay. Use the ruler to measure the length of each object in centimeters. Okay, so length we use centimeter. Okay, so first one, crayon. Crayon start with 0 and the end was 9. So crayon will be 9 centimeter. Okay, paper clip start with 0 and end was 4. So paper clip will be 4. Pink eraser start with 0 and end was 6, so will be 6 centimeter. Okay, record the number of faces, ages, and verses for each 3D shapes. Okay, so the first shape, square paced pyramid. Okay, how many faces in a square paced pyramid? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many faces? 5. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this called is edge. Vertices. This corner is called vertices. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, slender. Okay, this slender. How many faces? 1 and 2. 2 faces. How many edges? It hasn't any edges, so will be 0. Vertices will be 0. Sphere has no faces, okay, and no edges and no vertices. Cube. How many faces in cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, will be 12. Vertices. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Okay, rectangular prism, the last one. How many faces in rectangular prism? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and how many verses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 verses. Okay, time. We have clock, and then what is the time? First one. Okay, we have two hands. Short hand, okay, on 5, and long hand on 9. So will be quarter 2. 9, long hand on 9. So quarter 2. Okay, so quarter 2 what? Quarter 2 5. Wear it. Quarter 2 5, yes. Okay, the second one, we have two hand, okay, long hand on 3 and short hand on 2. So it will be quarter past. Okay, one long hand on 3, it will be quarter past. So quarter past 2. Where is quarter past 2? There's the last one. Okay, the third, we have two hand, okay, on 7 and 3. Quarter past what? Quarter past 7, yes. Okay, fourth, we have two hand, 1 and 9. So will be quarter 2 what? Quarter 2 1, the first one. Okay, the last one, we have two hand on 3. So quarter past on 3, quarter past what? Quarter past 3. Okay, thank you for listening, and goodbye.